Now I will show you a quick demo of our application. The very first page which one encounters on installing the SmartBin app is the login page. As you can see, we have two options, the admin mode and the client mode. In the admin mode, the person who actually purchases the SmartBin device gets a device ID and a password with which he can log into the app. And the client mode is where anyone can just provide the area code and log into the app to see all the dustbins that have been installed in his local area. Now I log in as an admin with my ID and password. I'm navigated to the home page of the app where you can see Bing Maps API has been integrated into the app. I can enter a device ID, say SmartBin_1, and I see a pointer to the location where the SmartBin has been installed with the value of the garbage level beside it. This particular dustbin is pointing to the pointing inside my hostel's room where this bin has been installed. I add one more device, say SmartBin_2. Sorry for mistyping, SmartBin_2. This particular bin is located in the academics block in our university. We also have a history of all the complaints or messages that have been filed by the local residents in the locality. And in the monitor page, we have different gauge and real-time data of the garbage level in various dustbins. So if I insert garbage into SmartBin_1, you will see the level of the gauge rising. My friend will help me in this. As you can see, as he is inserting the garbage in bin 1, the level is rising. And as the level increases by 90 and above, we'll get a notification generated. Not only this, as we move to the home page, we can get a local path, or we can actually track the dustbin that has been filled up by clicking on the show path button. This is very useful for the staff who actually collects the dustbin and cleans it up. In the settings page, the default threshold level has been set to 90%, but we can change it as we want. And finally, an about page for a small instruction and about the application, the SmartBin. As you can see, it's a universal Windows 10 app which can run on any Windows device, be it PC, phone or tablet. This app and the entire system of SmartBin is in alpha phase, as it's been installed in our university, and we wish to take it further. Thank you.